Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of the C Sharp Basics video series. Now, really quickly, I want to describe what I'm doing here and what my goals are. So, I have this book, and have had it for a long time, C Sharp 6.0 in a nutshell. And it goes all over C Sharp. And at my work, I'm a web developer, and I'm eventually going to move into the backend side of things. So, I want to learn the syntax really of C Sharp. At this point, I've been programming for 7 years, more or less. So I have a good idea of like what each language does, but this series will provide me the opportunity to go through this behemoth of a book while making content and hopefully helping out other people along the way while I learn. Probably for most people, I will have more experience programming, and hopefully that can sort of come out, I guess, just as I am going through this process of learning the language and learning syntax and all of the different things that makes up C Sharp. So anyways, I just thought it was a cool opportunity to help other people out while I learn and, double the benefit of what I am trying to do here. So, how this is structured is I'm going through each little section here on the book, starting with chapter 2, because the first one is just talking about C Sharp and .NET, and that's not necessarily my focus. So, yeah, I'm just going to go through all the programs and hopefully explain myself along the way. Alright. And also, very quickly, I'm using Visual Studio 2017 for this. And even though it does say C Sharp 6.0, I'm going to be using the .NET 4.7.1 framework, which I'm not sure if that requires C Sharp 7 or 7.0 or not, but honestly, they're pretty much the same thing. There's a couple of new features added to C Sharp 7.0 compared to 6, but it's nothing that we're even going to get close to touching for a while. So I will eventually make a video on the difference between 6.0 and 7.0, but that's not of concern right now.